How to manage notifications in YouTube TV. Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your notification settings in YouTube TV. Notifications can alert you to things like upcoming recordings, new episodes of your favorite shows, or recommended content. Here's how you can control what notifications you receive. To manage your notifications in YouTube TV, you'll need to access your settings, typically through a web browser on a computer or mobile device. While some notification settings might be available in the mobile app, the most comprehensive control is usually online. Open your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Make sure you are logged in to your YouTube TV account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for a section related to notifications. It might be labeled Notifications, Email and Notifications, or something similar. Click on this option. On the Notification Settings page, you will see various categories of notifications you can control. These might include notifications for new episodes of shows you follow, reminders for upcoming live events, recommended content, or account-related alerts. For each category of notification, you will usually see an option to enable or disable it, often using a toggle switch or a checkbox. Go through the list of notification categories and turn on or off the notifications you wish to receive or stop receiving. For example, if you don't want email notifications about new episodes, you can disable that specific type. You might have options for different types of notifications, such as email notifications, push notifications to your mobile device if you have the app installed, or notifications within the YouTube TV app itself. Adjust the settings for each type as you prefer. Remember to save any changes you make if there is a Save button on the page. We hope this video helped you understand how to manage notifications in YouTube TV. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.